Welcome back to the another tutorial. In today's session, I will walk you through the essential steps of picking up and applying acrylic beads. If you have been struggling with this process, don't worry. We will start by practicing how to pick up the bead and place it correctly on the sheet. Once you have mastered this, you will find it easier to handle on your nails. Join me today as I guide you through the sheet, demonstrating the techniques for taking the bead and the precise hand movement involved. I have previously shared a video on taking a bead, and today we are practicing on the sheet. The practice sheet is named as I Bling Nails because it is my Instagram handle, while my YouTube channel is Sapna Mohan. Let's make this hands-on practice session simple and effective together. Now, focusing on the sheet, the top 3 circles are meant for placing 3 different sized acrylic beads: large, medium and small. The purpose is to refine your hands movement and perfect the acrylic application techniques. Today we will dive into the process of creating 3 bead acrylic on the sheet. Learn how to pick and move and place the bead, concentrating the right quantity for each step. Moving down the sheet, you will notice its shape like 1, 2, 3. This setup is for a 3 bead nail extension practice, simulating the technique we use on hands. Additionally, you will find 2 bead labeled 1 and 2, designed for a 2 bead acrylic extension. The nail shapes guide the practice for a 1 bead acrylic extension. Essentially, this sheet covers various shapes and bead technique: 1 bead, 2 bead, 3 bead and circle bead. It's all about getting hands-on with acrylic beads and nails to perfect those nail extension skills. Let's dive into each session and master this technique together. Get your acrylic powder, brush, monomer and damping dish ready. Pour monomer into the damping dish and let the brush take a breath until it becomes flexible. Once it's ready, dip into monomer, swatch and turn, placing the monomer side into the powder. You're going to dab the brush into the acrylic to take a bead. Now place it inside without letting it spill over. Clean your brush, then dab the bead again to ensure it stays within the circle. Managing the flow of acrylic might be a bit tricky at the first, but this practice helps your hands get used to it. It's all about making your fingers more flexible with handling acrylic beads. Keep practicing and you will get the hang of it. Repeat the exact same steps for the second bead circle and third bead circle. Do it just like you did it before. Picking up the bead, placing within the circle, cleaning the brush. This repetition helps you to get comfortable with the process and builds your skill in handling acrylic beads. Keep practicing for a smooth and confident application. Get ready for my upcoming videos where I will show you how to apply the 2 bead acrylic extension and 1 bead acrylic extension. Stay in the loop by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more updates. Your support means a lot, and thank you for watching.